Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join the Product Canyon Affiliate Program. This program allows you to promote a wide range of products across different categories, and you can earn a 25% commission on every sale. Plus, there's a 30-day cookie window, meaning you'll still get credited for purchases made within 30 days of someone clicking your link. Your earnings will be cleared after 30 days from the sale, and you can withdraw your money once you hit the $10 minimum. Payments are made during the last 3 days of every month. Alright, let's see how to register for the affiliate program. First, head over to the Product Canyon website. Once you're there, click on the button that says Affiliates. This will take you to the affiliate landing page. Here, you'll find all the details about the affiliate program. Next, click on the Join Now button to start creating your Product Canyon affiliate account. You'll need to fill out some basic details and submit your application. Once you do that, the Product Canyon team will review your application and send you an email within 24 hours. If all goes well, you'll be ready to start earning. Now, let's see how to create your affiliate link. After logging into your affiliate account, you'll be greeted by your dashboard, which looks like this. To get your referral link, go to the Affiliate URLs section. You'll find your basic referral link here, which you can share with your audience to start earning commissions. You can also create a custom affiliate link for specific products. Just head over to the Product Canyon products page and choose a product you want to promote. Copy the link of that product, then go back to the affiliate dashboard. Paste the product link into the page URL field. Then, give your campaign a name of your choice. Once you're done, copy your custom affiliate link and share it with your audience. If you ever run into any issues with the Product Canyon affiliate program, don't worry. You can always send a request to their email or use the 24/7 live chat support for help. And that's it. You're all set to join the Product Canyon affiliate program and start earning commissions. Thanks for watching.